Hey everyone, Kerry Knoll here, and today we're going to learn a little bit about the partners section within HighLevel. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, welcome back. Here in this particular video, I want to talk a little bit about partners, which is the next item on the list. So it's welcome to the HighLevel Partner Program Directory. Search partners in your industry. Browse for HighLevel partners based on the services they offer and the industries they serve in the new partner directory. And it says interested in becoming a partner. Benefits include HighLevel affiliate, HighLevel partner, HighLevel certified partner. So you get some badges you can wear proudly on your website and social media, I'm sure, if you want to become a HighLevel partner. And this is what it takes to become a partner. Affiliate 5 to 9 affiliates. Top affiliate 20 to 50 affiliates, or they really mean customers probably here. Premier affiliate 51 plus affiliates. One YouTube video, HighLevel versus X or Y switched to HighLevel, or walkthrough or HighLevel review. So I probably qualify right here. And then Facebook post HighLevel versus X, of course, is also on the list. And then it says coming soon. Who knows? And then you can apply to become a partner, and that takes you to a link where you can do that. And then it says find a partner. So in this case, if I click on this, I'm not sure what happens. Let's take a peek. And so what this does is says industry served, service provided, search partner. So we can search for different partners, and you can see some of them listed here right at, and it says the services they provide essentially, and then gives you a way to contact them, I'm sure. And we'll keep going down the list here. Let's see if I recognize anybody in particular. I don't so far, but there could be tons of people. Again, you can get listed just by doing what they ask there, which is cool. Keep going here. Let's see. I don't recognize any of these folks. There, that one. I know him. Kasim is from Solutions 8. So he's in here listed, his businesses. I am sure there's a few other big name marketers listed in here too, specifically if we search for them instead of just scrolling endlessly. So let me go back to the top. So let's say we were looking for like Frank Kern. I think he's probably in here. Let's see. He's not. Interesting. Maybe Billie Jean might be. Nope. Wow. Let's just put Jean just to see. Nope. Interesting. So maybe not the big name marketers. I thought there would be. Then services provided. So if you're looking for specific services, you can select one of those things. It will load just those that provide that. Same with different industries. So if we were looking for somebody that's specified in real estate developer, click on that. We get the folks that say that they are somewhat involved in that particular niche industry or vertical. Okay. So you can kind of get a grasp of what's happening in the partner directory. So this is if you need someone specific for a specific reason. Again, if it comes down to it, I should be listed here eventually, which would make some sense because I will have qualified, and I do qualify to be listed in here. So I'll probably be listed here at some point. So don't be shocked if I'm in here, or if you're interested just to see if I am by the time you watch this video, come to the search partner and search for Kerry Knoll and see if I'm listed. All right. So that covers pretty much partners. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll do my best to answer them in a timely manner. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you real soon. Take care.